Hey everybody, welcome back. It's good to see you. Today we are talking 6-speed swap and this lovely little thing. Yeah, it's a thing from USP that transfers your hydraulic fluid to your clutch from your master cylinder. So don't go around, about to get crazy. Don't go any. That whole thing was trash. What's up? USP stainless line designed for the Mark. I keep getting Mark 5 and 5-speed confused, and then 5-cylinder and 2.5 liter. There's a lot of 5s in this scenario here. We're going to the 6-speed, the 02Q. This line is designed to work with the 5-speed and the 6-speed. So should be plenty of slack in it to get everything hooked up when we get the transmission in there. Really good quality, nice stainless from USP. Pretty impressed so far. We'll see how everything mates up. Does come with the O-ring seals on each end. So yeah, should be a good unit. I've got the 5-speed exact fit line from ECS in the car currently. But being an exact fit, I think they take that term pretty seriously, and it's pretty exact. So I don't think there's gonna be enough slack because the slave cylinder moves farther away from the master cylinder. So it's gonna be most likely being this one. I am gonna test fit it with the exact fit 5-speed when I'm doing the swap. That way I can let you guys know if it's gonna fit or not. You may be running that currently and you wanna know whether the 5-speed line's gonna fit on a 6-speed. So we're definitely gonna answer that question. So hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for the rest of the swap. We're getting pretty close to tearing the 5-speed out and putting the 6-speed in. But just wanted to show you guys this stainless line that I picked up from USP. Another piece of the puzzle. So if you got any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. Check the description down below. I will have links to all the parts in this video, as well as maybe some of the other parts that I'm using for the swap. So definitely check them out. Lots of videos coming for the swap and the swap itself, obviously. I'm gonna film it and let you guys know how it's going, and yeah, hopefully help walk you through your swap. So stick around, stay tuned to the channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Yeah, usually how it goes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.